Form utility. Let us understand the meaning of form utility. When we change form of a commodity, it increases its utility. Which means if we change the form, means the shape and the structure of a commodity is changed, then it leads to the increase in utility is called as form utility. In short, if we change the form, it helps us to change the, or rather increase the utility, is known as form utility. Let us take some examples to understand form utility in detail. Who make cottons? Yes, farmer. Does the cotton have higher utility? Relatively less. It has utility but relatively less. So what does he do? He sells it to the factory. In factory, from cotton, threads are made. So what do I see? Now utility of cotton was there but relatively less. Now I changed its shape, its form, its structure and made it into a thread. Now the utility of thread is higher compared to cotton. From thread, we make a fabric. So what do I see? From cotton, a lower utility, I change a shape, a form, a structure to a thread. The utility increases. From thread, I make it a fabric. So again, the utility of fabric increases because of there is a change in the shape and form and structure. And from fabric, we make clothes. So clothes have a highest level of utility. So what do we understand? From simple cotton to a thread to a fabric and to a cloth, there is an increase in the utility because of change in the shape and structure of the commodity. It is called as form utility. There are a few more examples we can take. A plastic water bottle from plastic granule. So plastic granules have a lesser amount of utility compared to plastic bottle. Which product have a higher utility? You tell. Wooden furniture or wood? Yes, wooden furniture. So if you notice, we change from wood to wooden furniture, we change the shape, form, structure, its utility is increased. And so on and so forth. The list can be more. One more example to see how the shape is changed, the structure is changed, and utility is increased. Let's say machinery from iron ores. So iron ore have a lesser utility and the machinery have a higher utility. So if you change the structure, the utility increases. And the list doesn't end.